I think trying to come up with resolutions is almost as much pressure as trying to do the resolutions. Just concentrate on doing the best you can every day. Keep pushing yourself. And I think as long as you keep working at it, you're going to naturally get better. You're going to naturally improve. So I'm working on my YouTube content and I'm working on my running. And it's not a resolution because that's what I do every day. I feel pressure to call it a resolution because that's what everybody else is doing. So I think I might start the Hal Higdon half marathon training program. And I'm going to try to see if I can set up. I don't think I want to do a 24-hour backyard marathon. Maybe just a 12-hour something. But maybe even less. Maybe I could start out at like a day. Like one Saturday. Get up early and go all day and see how long I can do it for. Keep working on my videos. Keep trying to make them better. Keep trying to improve myself. Keep heading out here. It's things I do every day. They're not resolutions. Things I'd like to do, sure. But I'm going to get myself to that goal as long as I keep on progressing every day. The work is what gets you there. Saying